Hello. In this video, we will learn to evaluate expressions. You'll often be given an expression and you'll be told to evaluate. Evaluate, evaluate something like x plus 5 when x equals 3. When x equals 3. You'll often see a question like this. Evaluate x plus 5 when x equals 3. What does that mean? Well, that simply means that where we see x, we're gonna substitute 3. So this will become 3 plus 5. When you're asked to evaluate, you're gonna solve what 3 plus 5 is, which of course is 8. So it's all about replacing variables with numbers, and you are going to be given the number. So we may see a problem like 2x plus 7 when x equals 4. How do we solve that problem? Well, we simply substitute 4 in for x, 4 in for x, and then we follow parentheses or PEMDAS. We'll do our multiplication first, then our addition, and we'll get our final answer of 15. That's how you evaluate the expression. So, you can also be faced with a problem such that x plus y, and they'll say when x equals and y equals. They'll give you what x and y equals. In this case, x will equal 2 and y will equal 5. Okay? So we simply plug these numbers in. Where we see x, we replace it with 2. And where we see y, we replace it with 5. And we evaluate that expression to be equal to 7. So just to recap, when you're given an equation with a variable and you're told to evaluate, that means plug in the numbers you're given. So whatever they say x is equal to, or y is equal to, you simply have to plug those numbers in. And a key point to remember is PEMDAS. Don't forget, after you plug them in, you must still follow PEMDAS. Okay, let's set up some practice for you. All right, I've given you a set of problems here to practice on. Go ahead, pause the video, and evaluate each of these expressions. Then I'll quickly solve them for you or with you. Okay, so for the first problem, x plus 6 when x equals 5, that is equivalent to 5 plus 6, which is equivalent to 11. Plug in that x in. Now what about when a equals 2? So we have 3a minus 4 when a equals 2. We must remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division. So we do 3 times 2 minus 4. We must do the multiplication first. We get 6 minus 4, which is 2. Our final answer is 2. Then we have 2x plus y when x equals 3 and y equals 1. So that's 2 times 3 plus 1. That's 6 plus 1. And we get a final answer of 7. And finally, we have 4 minus 2n. That's equal to 4 minus 2 times, when n equals 1, 1. So that becomes 2 minus 4. We do our subtraction and we get 2. Our final answer is 2. Final answer 11 for the first problem. So that's how we evaluate expressions. This will be the last video for Unit 1. Look forward to seeing you in Unit 2, where we'll start manipulating more equations and learning how to solve variables when they're not given to you. See you next time.